Hey everyone, I'm Benj from BaxStudio. In this video, we're taking a look at the Disco 240 lighting controller. If you've ever wondered how to switch from a pre-program to taking manual control in an instant, you're in the right video. We'll be diving into the two key buttons that make it all happen, the release channel and the manual button. I'll show you exactly what they do and how you can use them to create a seamless, dynamic light show.
Now we have a mini 100 watts moving head beam. DMX address is 049, meaning fourth button based on DMX 512, this will be the button for the mini beam. Before you fully understand the function of release channel, you need to know first the personality of your fixtures. Like example, this mini moving head beam has a 12-channel function. For example, this slider is for pan, tilt, this too is for pan fine and tilt fine. This button is for dimmer control, this is for strobe, then this is for the color, and then for side B, this slider's for the gobo, this one is for the prism, this is for the rainbow effect, and this is for the auto running function.
Now we know the personality of the fixture, it's time to learn how to use the release function and why is it connected to the manual function. As you can see, while the chase number 1 is running, if I press the manual button, the chase or the function of the fixture will stop, but I can do it in manual. The channel 4 is selected, meaning I can control the fixture under manual setting. Again, disable the manual to return in chase 1. I'll do it again by pressing the manual button and it will stop. The reason is, as you can see this panel, the channel's indicated O, meaning the channel is open. Meaning I can control all open channel or sliders of the selected fixture under manual setting while running the chase.
This is why release channel is connected to the manual setting. For example, I'll use only the 3 sliders, the pan, the tilt, and the dimmer. I'll switch this O sliders into F functioning. To switch, just press the button below the sliders, next the slider 3, and then the slider number 6. Now press again the release channel button to exit the setting, and now the 3 sliders turn into functioning. As you notice, when I press the manual button, the fixture is now running under chase number 1. I only selected the 3 sliders. As you see, the prism is not there. Now, if I turn the slider of the prism into functioning, we'll press this release channel button and pressing the side B button. See, the slider number 10 indicates O. I'll turn this into functioning by pressing the button below the slider 10. Now it's F. See, the prism is now functioning.
There, you see when you press the manual button, all the sliders indicated F is now functioning under the manual setting while running the chase. This technique is used when the chase is running and you need to adjust something like colors. This technique helps you to change the color instantly without stopping the chase.
For example, the color slider indicated O. Now I can change it while the chase is running. See, how great is that? So easy. And also the gobo slider indicated O. I can also change the gobo. Check this. Also, the strobe function in slider number 7. How good is that? Now, here's the catch. When the sliders turn into functioning in the manual setting, you can't control those sliders. Unless you go again in the release channel and turn the F into an O. That's the time you can control the slider. Another thing, the changes of fixture under manual setting is not applied on your chase once you get out of the manual setting. It will back to the original program chase.
Again, important to remember here in the release channel and manual setting is to know the personality of your fixture before using these techniques. Alright, hope you learned something in this video. Leave us comments if you have questions or suggestions. You're most welcome. It'll help my colleagues to learn more because of your thoughts and suggestions. And if you like our video, please help me to grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell for our future videos. Again, my name is Bench from BaxStudio Sounds and Lights. Goodbye and see you in the next video.